Hi, we're back with another FMA Debrief with Dan Davis, the editor-in-chief of the Fabricator magazine. Thanks for being here, Dan.
Thanks for having me.
So I noticed something recently in the Fabricator. This thing called the Fab 40 is what it was all about.
Yep, Fab 40 is a list of successful metal fabricating operations across the U.S. Self-reported revenue, so so many of these companies are private companies. We asked them to give us an idea of just how much their annual revenues are, how many employees work for them, the industries they serve, and then we rank them each and every year in the June issue. One of the reasons we did this was to coincide with the 40th anniversary of the Fabricator, and we've kept it because we think it is a great reflection of the overall economic vitality of the metal fabricating segment. We have two shops that are closing in on nearly $500 million in annual revenues. Of course, not all shops are that size, and not all shops want to be that size. But it gives you an idea of just how people in this society should take metal fabricating seriously, both as a career choice and a viable economic sector in America.
Awesome. So Fab 40 is the June issue of the Fabricator. You can check it out at fabricator.com.